Oil prices have just gone crazy. Tankers are being threatened in the Strait of Hormuz, energy markets are twitchy, and traders around the world are suddenly asking the same question. How secure is the global energy supply chain right now? And that leads to a much more practical question for UK homeowners. Is this just a blip, or are electricity prices about to spike again? And more importantly, if they do, what happens to the price of a solar installation? At first glance, you might think oil prices shouldn't matter much for UK electricity. After all, the UK doesn't generate much electricity from oil, but energy markets are deeply interconnected. When one part of the system becomes unstable, the ripple effects move through the entire chain. And the UK electricity market is particularly sensitive to one thing: gas prices. Gas-fired power stations often set the marginal price of electricity in the UK. So if gas prices rise, electricity prices rise. And gas markets themselves are global. Liquefied natural gas is shipped all over the world, and those ships often pass through exactly the same regions that are currently causing concern in the oil market. Some of the biggest gas plants in the world are in the Strait of Hormuz, which means something very important happens when geopolitical tensions rise. Not necessarily a shortage of energy, but uncertainty about the supply chain. And uncertainty is something energy markets absolutely hate. Prices don't just move based on supply and demand, they move based on fear of future supply disruption. When traders start worrying that shipments might be delayed, that transport routes might be threatened, or that geopolitical tensions might escalate, prices start to move, even before anything actually happens. And when energy prices become volatile, something else happens very quickly. Consumers start looking for ways to escape the system. And for homeowners, the most obvious way to do that is solar. We saw this very clearly during the last energy crisis. Electricity prices exploded, and suddenly everyone wanted solar panels. Demand went through the roof, installers were booked months ahead, and the cost of installing solar started rising. Not because the technology suddenly became more expensive, but because solar isn't just a product, it's a supply chain. Panels are manufactured globally, inverters are manufactured globally, batteries are manufactured globally, and installations are carried out by skilled local engineers. When demand surges, every part of that chain feels the pressure. Panel factories get busier, battery supply tightens, and most importantly, installers become the bottleneck. There are only so many trained solar installers, so when thousands of homeowners suddenly decide they want solar at the same time, installation slots become scarce, and prices move accordingly. This is the part that many people miss. Solar prices don't just depend on manufacturing costs, they depend heavily on demand. If electricity prices look stable, demand grows gradually. But if the market becomes uncertain, people rush. And when people rush, supply chains tighten, which pushes prices up. Now, I'm not saying this will definitely happen again. Energy markets are unpredictable. Oil prices might fall next month. Gas prices might stabilize. Electricity markets might calm down. But the key point is this: energy markets don't move because of facts, they move because of uncertainty about the future. And uncertainty changes behavior. If enough people begin to believe that energy prices might become unstable again, they start installing solar. And when lots of people start installing solar at the same time, solar becomes more expensive. This creates an interesting paradox. When people see energy markets becoming volatile, their instinct is often to wait. They think, let's just see what happens. But if lots of people wait and then all decide to install solar at roughly the same time, that's exactly when installation prices rise and waiting lists appear. We've seen it happen before. Installers become fully booked, battery lead times extend, and projects suddenly cost more. So the real risk here isn't that oil prices spike tomorrow. The real risk is supply chain pressure caused by uncertainty. Because once uncertainty enters the system, behavior changes. And once behavior changes, demand changes. No one knows what will happen in the Middle East. No one knows what oil prices will do next. And no one knows exactly what electricity prices will look like in 2 or 3 years. But one thing we have seen again and again is this: when energy markets become unstable, people rush to secure their own energy supply. And that usually means installing solar. Which means the people who benefit most are often the ones who moved before everyone else decided to do the same thing. So if solar is already on your radar, the smartest move isn't waiting for perfect certainty. The smartest move is getting ahead of the crowd.